This pod series continues discussing some worldly and hereafter benefits of possessing true faith in Islam, meaning, faith which is supported by actions. The next benefit of faith is that it provides a shelter for a person in all situations. A Muslim recourses to their faith in all situations such as joy, sorrow, distress, fear, security, obedience and disobedience. At times of joy and ease, a true believer praises Allah, the Exalted, practically by using the blessings they have received in ways pleasing to Him. This leads to a great reward and further blessings in both worlds. At times of distress, a believer actualizes their faith by taking comfort and support in the uncountable reward given to the patient who remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 39, verse 10.
Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account.
At times of fear, a true believer actualizes their faith by remaining obedient to Allah, the Exalted, which leads to the strengthening of their faith. Chapter 3, verse 173.
Those to whom hypocrites said, "Indeed, the people have gathered against you, so fear them." But it merely increased them in faith.
At times of security, a believer actualizes their faith, which prevents them from becoming arrogant. Instead, they humble themselves, knowing that all good comes from none other than Allah, the Exalted. At times of obedience, a true believer actualizes their faith by acknowledging the favor of Allah, the Exalted, in the form of inspiration, strength, opportunity and the acceptance of their righteous deeds. This prevents pride, an atom's worth of which is enough to take one to hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. They plead to Allah, the Exalted, for the acceptance of their deeds, knowing that righteous deeds only have value when Allah, the Exalted, accepts them. At times of disobedience, the believer actualizes their faith by rushing towards sincere repentance, and they perform more righteous deeds in order to make up for their lapse in judgment. Therefore, true believers who actualize their faith always recourse back to their faith and continuously strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him.